What's going on, guys? Casey Flower here, and welcome back to another trip report. It's been a while since I've done one of these. Right now, it's about 2:50 a.m. in the morning. Usually, I'd be up this early to finish a long-haul flight in next plane, but that's not the case today. Today, I'm actually gonna go somewhere. I'm commercial flying. We're gonna do something really fun today. We are gonna be on a United Airbus A319 from Boston, and we're going to be going all the way over to San Francisco SFO in first class today. It should be fun. We're in a very old cabin, so we're going to try the old cabin in first class, see what that's like during the global pandemic. Yeah, try what the breakfast option is like during this weird crazy time. This is the first time I've commercially flown since all this social distancing stuff has started. So, I'm sorry if the camera seems a little shaky. I'm holding it up with just one hand because I have my other hand here. So, yeah, I guess we'll just see how this goes. Alright, I'm in the car right now. I don't have my mask on quite yet just because I'm still at home, but I'm about to head out. Quite honestly, I don't know what to expect from this. I know the airlines are doing a lot of precautions from the COVID thing. Obviously, yes, I'm gonna wear a mask, and I bring some hand sanitizer as well as some wipes to wipe down where I'm sitting. I'll be sitting in seat 1F for the flight today to San Francisco. So yeah, if you haven't experienced it yet either, then I guess we can just go through this together, I guess. Alright, I cleared TSA. That's not my plane, but behind me is a United 737-800 boarding for Chicago, I think, with its GPU hooked up. TSA was pretty normal, except for the fact that I was wearing a mask. My flight to San Francisco boards in about 45 minutes, so I guess nothing too interesting will happen until then. So I guess I'll see you guys when we're boarding. Social distancing marked on the seats here. Really taking precautions for everyone. Alright, there's my plane to SFO. The registration is November 854 Uniform Alpha, an Airbus A319-100.
Is prevented at this time until we close the cabin door. At that time, we do require you to exit airplane mode for the duration of our flight. Flights is unavailable on exit. This is a no smoking flight. Smoking is strictly prohibited. My flight attendant for assistance until we close the main cabin door. It is different, and added safety measures will not be demonstrated in operation of the oxygen mask and the life vest of today's flight. Please reference the safety information required in the operation of these items. Try wearing a protective covering on all United flights in the event of oxygen is needed today. And up front we have Captain Green and First Officer Daniel. On behalf of our entire crew, I'm happy to welcome you on board our flight to San Francisco. And thank our Mileage Plus program members for your loyalty and to all our customers for choosing to fly with us today. Our entire United team is here to make sure that you have a great flight. What's for? Exit doors, 2 on each side of the aircraft. Exit doors are open in emergencies. Slides will automatically inflate. It's unlikely, but in a water landing. Slides detach from the aircraft and are used for flotation. There are also 2 window exits over the wings. When it open, ramp slides will automatically inflate. The life vests, which are distributed if necessary.
There's my meal. I ordered the French toast option. It is wrapped up. Got some fruit there, yogurts, the toast, and I assume a bagel there. So everything's all wrapped up. So I have my mask off right now to eat it. So yeah, let's do this. My first class seat was about 37 inches of pitch, with the width of about 20.5. In the middle, it had a tray with a nice fold-out tray table, and below, it had a cup holder for beverages and a outlet station for something to charge. Float, float, float. Butter, butter, butter. Shaky, shaky, shaky.
In order to promote social distancing, once we have arrived at the gate, the fasten seatbelt sign will be turned off.
Alright, that was our spotting at SFO. Now I'm on my way to board RCR J200 up to Spokane. See you there.
Please take a moment look, even if you are a frequent flyer, because each aircraft type is different. And if you're unable or prefer not to sit in the exit row, please let a flight attendant know, and we'll be happy to find you another seat. Find the plane as Captain Nguyen, and First Officer King, and our crew is excited to have you on board and appreciate the opportunity to take care of you today. And thank you, Mileage Plus members, for your loyalty, and all customers for choosing to fly with us today. Your Tucson and San Francisco-based United Express team is here to make sure you have a great flight. And while service is our passion, safety is our top priority, so please take a minute to review the safety card in the seat back pocket in front of you. And please take a look, even if you're a frequent flyer, since each aircraft type is different. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. To fasten, slide the flat metal end into the buckle and tighten by pulling the loose end of the strap. Belt sign is off. Marked with overhead exit signs. And please take a moment to locate the two exits closest to you. Path lights will also guide you to the exits. And it's unlikely, but if not, there's yourself and others healthy. Wash your hands with soap and water often for at least 20 seconds. Avoid touching your mouth, eyes, and nose, and cover with a tissue if you need to cough or sneeze. Thanks again for flying with us. I'll be back with more details about today's flight once you're in the air, and I'll now demonstrate the option to SFO operations for you.
Guess we're not doing a parallel takeoff. Oh well. V1 VR. There are the brakes. There are those toe brakes.
Encouraging individuals to cover their nose in both areas, so we truly appreciate your understanding.
The cabin is not roomy.
No, it's not
Yeah,
too great back
the
there.
CRJ 200. Yeah, no.
Are you pilot or?
I'm a student pilot.
Oh, cool.
I'm a student pilot and a sim pilot.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah,
wow. Where are you training?
I am training in Beverly, Massachusetts. I'm from Boston.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
yeah.
What brings you out here?
My dad lives out here.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Right on.
But yeah, I fly a lot in flight sim.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
That's great fun.
Yeah,
Are you working on your private pilot? Is that it?
yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
How far along? You solo?
I'm us.
Okay.
I'm us.
Cool.
Yeah,
That's a fun one.
yeah. I started in the Cessna 172, and now, like last year, I switched over to the Piper Cherokee.
Oh, yeah. I did
Yeah.
the same thing.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I learned in a Cherokee.
Oh, wow, yeah.
I did a 152-1 flight. It was too small. So
Oh, really?
The Cherokee, yeah.
Yeah. The Cherokee is a lot different from the 172 in terms of like electrical stuff, but it's a lot easier to fly.
Yeah, I do like it, and a little easier in the pattern when you can see the runway and the turns.
Yeah. Do you prefer high wing or low wing?
You know, now I like the Cessnas just because I think they're a little roomier.